Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the EQ app not working. So let's get started. So here have to follow this easy step to fix that. So here we can see the EQ app. If it's not working, just press and hold it here. Just click the I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So at here, you have to go to the storage section. Just click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the app again. If it's work, then fine. If it does not work, just check for an update. Go to Google search bar and search for the EQ bank app. So from here, download the latest version of this app and it will work. So by this way you can fix it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.